Welcome to Connelly on 11. This bright studio layout offers 500 square feet of open concept living. Recently updated, your new home showcases wide plank wood-inspired flooring, a stylish lighting package, and a crisp modern color palette. The main living area is totally open, making space planning easy, and features an oversized sliding patio door keeping your home light and airy. Connelly on 11 offers 3 choices in cabinet finishes: white, maple, and oak. This home features oak cabinets, Energy Star rated stainless steel appliances, USB outlets, and modern fixtures. The full bathroom with tub and shower offers a classic design, plenty of vanity storage, and has been updated with stylish features. A large walk-in closet off the entry makes this space ideal to call home. Welcome home.